Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. This video is to introduce you to your digital interactive notebook that you'll use in chemistry this year. So basically all of the practice that you do for concepts will go into this notebook, and then everything's in one place and easy to find and easy to link. So this is the image and the notebook that you'll see. So again, the purpose is that everything is in one place. So there will be links to take you to different websites and different apps, but everything will be saved within this Google document, and everything will be your own. So you're creating this digital notebook to show your understanding. So for Unit 1, these are the topics that we'll cover. Here's your table of contents, so I'll come back to that and show you how to link. So the first assignment that you will do is to kind of start exploring what the digital notebook has to offer. So, as you can see over here is a tech tip. Tech tips will always be highlighted in purple. And then down here at the bottom, if you can see, is a study tip, which will be in red writing. So the first lesson is kind of just to get you to start looking at your notebook and trying some of these tech things and to customize it a little bit. So you'll definitely turn your notebook in at the end of each unit, but there will be checks throughout each unit as well for assignments. All right, so this is one important thing that you'll need to do in your Google Slides. You'll go to View up here at the top, and then you want to make sure that you are showing speaker notes so you can see all of the text and information over on the sides and also here on the bottom, which is kind of hard to see in the video, but those are the speaker notes. And then you'll also want to go to Zoom and do the fit mode, which I'm not sure why that's not an option for me. Hopefully it will be for you, but as you can see, if you zoom in, you lose that information on the side. So you'll want to make sure that you can, here it gives me the option. You'll want to make sure you can see the tech tips and some of the directions on the side. All right, so what you guys are going to do, you're going to start with this. So you are going to customize the cover. You for sure need to add your name and period, but if you want to change the background, if you want to change the pictures, you can customize it. This was like back in the day when you used to cover your textbook. This is your new textbook cover. So, and then here are just general things to know. So if it's in red, those are concepts that are important vocab terms for the unit. Also, study tips will also show up in red, and then tech tips will be in purple, and that will just be hopefully how to navigate, the different ways to interact with your digital interactive notebook. Each lesson will start with a lesson slide, and each lesson, let me move myself over here, will end in an exit ticket. So every day for every lesson, you will have an intro slide, and then you will also end with an exit ticket. A lot of slides will have answer keys. So the purpose of this is your normal in-class practice. So when you turn and talk to a neighbor, with your digital notebook, this is your time to make a mistake, to screw up, to kind of get those misconceptions figured out. So that way, if you miss a question, you can look at the answer key and figure out why did you miss it. And then hopefully the next time that misconception is fixed. So don't always panic about your digital notebook being right, because we'll check the key and we'll talk through those answers. So this is the time for you to practice and make mistakes and screw up without being docked points. And then once you make those mistakes, then we talk through them and figure out, why that misunderstanding was there, so we can fix it in the future. So in addition to this, you will have your notes packet. So you'll take notes separately on a separate document, and then this will be your practice. You will also have little like mini quizzes throughout, and then of course your unit assessments. So of course at any time if you have questions about your digital notebook, let me know, but hopefully this kind of gives you a brief overview of what to expect.